Tuesdays. The Tuesdays. And you know what happens on Tuesdays. It's absolute monster chaos time. Why? Because VRE, baby. It's time for VRE, let's go. Welcome, everyone, to VRE Tuesdays, the show where I go crazy, cuckoo crazy on coding my own avatar system. And it's definitely not a small chicken that codes it either. You've got robotic chicken, then you have myself, just your old goat or just a bird, and then you've got actual chicken. But not chicken either. How are you all doing tonight? I hope you're all doing good, having a fantastic night. Tonight, we are coding some menus. Beautiful menus. Hey, Phantom Master, how are you doing? Hopefully doing good. Immediate eye rates met. Not even 5 seconds starting the stream and there's already a feisty hydrate. Well then, there's no one else to enjoy it apart from Mr. I just started. They just take extra water. Very refreshing. Yeah, the newest today is 1,000 feet tall. Jesus fucking Christ. 1,000 feet tall? Excuse me? you okay, that's like going good. Sir, you might have a slight problem. Just a slight problem. Of tallness. I'm barely under 6 feet tall. Now you're telling me you're making something that's over 1,000. Jesus Christ. Impressive, but what? Die. Hey, hopefully you are doing good. Because tonight, the chaos is about to ensue. And I've ensured that my streaming setup can accommodate the Visual Studio properly this time. So that's gonna be great. Absolutely fantastic. I don't know how much progress I'll be able to make, but yeah. Beautiful, isn't it? Anyway, because you still redeemed it, I mean it's still like very early in the stream, but 1 moment of silence, please. Refreshing. There we go. My poor mic is just suffering. I just clip it every single time. Okay, I'm not clip it, but you get my point. It's just gonna get abused. With just iced tea everywhere. I can just imagine the iced tea just flying over. That might be disgusting. But yeah, it's gonna be VRE time. Alright, it's 50,234 feet and... heck? Jesus Christ! What? Die! Wow. Baby top anyway. Damn. Anyway, let me quickly open up the VRE project. Yoink. Yeah, Unity Hub just lag. Here's why not. Unity Hub likes to lag at times. That tells you something about Unity in general. Hi, Tony. Hello. Hiya. Well, so what VR is opening? I noticed I'm almost out of ice. I'm gonna have to recharge soon. And I don't have a snack to get. Yeah, it was decent. You never said it. To be fair, yeah. I wonder what species would have that kind of a span. That's damn. And there is Unity. Unity is opened. Let me just hide a couple of more objects. I forgot to double check some stuff. I mean, I just opened it and I had to do some stuff. Some VR stuff. Where the heck is... There it is. Does it have it? Let me hide that quick. Boop. There we go. Goodbye. And show back this one. There you go. Much flippin' better. And now, time to show Unity. Davy, Davy boy. Pretty bird on the screen. I'm pretty. Thanks for the 10 BTs, and he just fell off the chart. That's because you called me pretty. Good morning. Good night. Also, Unity, how dare you not showing that? Oh, damn dragon. Jesus. Unity. There you go. Unity, why are you down there? Oh, Jesus Christ, why is he not doing this? Why are you down there? Unity. Okay, seems like all of my windows did that. No, 0. Okay, 0. Reset that window. Did I do the same one? Oh my god, I did the same on every single one of them. Are you serious? Yes, darn it. I was thinking what I fixed my damn OBS. But my whole array just moved. That's why it's for yeah, indeed. And they still have to drink one more of each. I'm just fixing my overlays here. Okay, because I've added a couple things. I have, for my coding setup actually, check this out. I have added, I can be in Unity, because this is like the whole like, well the whole game never happens. And when it's time to code, yoink, there's Visual Studio. Oh my god, Tony! Tony! There's not the zeros. Well then, Phil, where are you? Well, I'm gonna have to check my doorstep. Thanks for the sneaky, Tony. That's good to life out of you. Microwave, am I right? Why is my cheese singing a volley? Space chicken! Chicken dinner! Yippee! Wait, hang on a second. I'm in a volley right now. Wait, does that mean I chased myself? Wait, does that mean I chased myself? Oh god. Oh no. The poor volley. Oh no. Ow no. Ew, no! Mistakes were made. If the dang mistakes were made, let me change the lighting in this world, because it is not really good for this avatar. Ah yes, purple world, my favorite. Stop being purple. There we go. Much better. Space Burp good have returned. But yeah, thank you for the donut, the donuts, the donut sticks. Well, where is my camera? Wait a second. Gotta prepare it. So gonna have to expect it in the next hour or so. Oh, there is. Ah. Well then. I guess I'm gonna have to keep that open. Let me just inform my. Yeah. There you go, informed. Alright, gonna have to connect this and just keep looking down there for the next hour or something. So it was ordered at like 7:30, so I should expect it to play 8:30 or so, potentially. Yeah, it takes like 45 minutes an hour for those things to arrive. Last time it took like an hour. So... yeah, okay, well look, that's okay, that's taken care of. But yeah, I mean, I guess it depends on the restaurant, so who knows. Anyway, back to where we go. So as I was saying, I did a couple things to my camera. So first off, I can just show and hide Visual Studio at any time. So it's like, I can be working here, blah 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 blah, do some stuff, and then time to go code. All right. Oh, time to test. Alright. There we go. Easy setup. And also I've added the showcase back for raids and stuff. That was missing. And fun fact, that also scales with the whole UI. Just like this. All part of the plan. Anyway, today, for VRA Tuesdays, I was thinking of not doing avatar stuff again. Yeah, we won't be doing avatars tonight. Sorry about that. Sorry about it, Lavali, but you have to be patient with that one. Hey, don't look at me like that. So, yeah, we're gonna code a lot. And I don't think I'll be able to test anything in editor, at least tonight, because it's gonna be, I guess, setting up the whole, like, VRA thing with the menus. Because the goal with VRA, is to have something that's similar to like most of the platforms like CVR, VRChat, where you have the expressions, you have the easy setup through the SDK, and you also have some kind of avatar menu system. So in VRChat, it's those radio menus. In CVR, it's the advanced avatar menus. This will be similar to both of them. Oh, heck. Dog goes woof, cat goes meow, bird goes tweet, and mouse goes squeak. Cow goes moo, frog goes croak, and the elephant goes toot. Toot like the trombones. Ducks say quack, and fish go bluff, and the seal goes ow ow ow. But there's one sound that no one knows what does the mic say? Ah! It is this quack. There's squeak from mouse, but there's no squawk. There's quack, but no squawk. I'm a parrot. So I go squawk. Immediate squawk. We can do a quick setup here though. Does it work? Oh, dang it. Oh, that's a message. Loads of messages. No clips. Yeah, any link will get flagged by Nightbot. Yeah, I mean, we're trying to stay positive here too. I want to bring positivity. So... Anyway. Yeah, let's not think about that here. Here, the stream's not the place to vent, unfortunately, but... Yeah, hopefully I can cheer you up with this stream. So, in terms of the menu system, as I was saying, it will be similar to VRChat or CVR, or even Neos at this point, where it's like radial or like buttons you press. And contacts. Oh shit, I have to add contacts. Oh damn hell, I'm gonna add contacts. Oh. I want to add a contact system as well. How would I implement that? I feel like that would actually be easier to implement. But in terms of usefulness, I feel like avatar menus are going to be a bit more used. Okay. So, yeah. In terms of those menus, we established something. There's only 3 types of parameters you really need. Int, bool, and float. Bools if you want a true or false, or a button. Ints if you want a selectable value. Or a float if you want to be more precise. Like have an analog input. So you just need those 3 to get like 4 different types of things. And that's what we've set I parameter here, which is going to be the parameters. The base of a parameter has a name. It has a parameter type, which can be bool, int, or float. It has an option to be saved or not. So if you unload the avatar and reload it, is it saved or not? And then you've got some functions to actually get the value, set the value, or reset the value. And those will be overridden. And honestly, I feel like those will need to be actually abstract. Because there's no way you can have a parameter that just returns 0, does nothing. this needs to be abstract. There you go, so that needs to be overridden. Boy. Right, so yeah, parameters. It's just one abstract class right here, which inherits a parameter base, which is an I parameter. It's an interface, which we've learned last week actually how to use. There's still a bit more to interfaces I have to learn, but it's something. When you start getting it, you get it. That can get a value, set a value, or reset a value. So if you get the value, it returns the current value. You can set the value as well. Which, I just noticed I need another function you see. Set value, which sets the current value to that value. And reset value, it just resets to the default value. However, that default value is not saved. So an I parameter, I actually need another void set default to set the default value and pass in the value. So now in this, I need to add the function as an abstract. Like this. And then all those parameters, I actually need to go and set the value. So if I put the override set value here, set default instead, and I can set default value to value. So if value is 1, then set it to true, else set it to false. I can do the same for parameter int, where I want to set the default value to the value. And finally the float, which is as simple as just changing this. And there you go, it's literally just float to float. And yeah, I'm doing it like that, where every single value, like every single type of parameter is a float. Because you can, like the highest type is a float, and everything that I need in terms of parameters can be converted from float to whatever I need. For example, like float can be a float, because it is a float. A float can be converted to an int, just by casting it as an int. And then a float can be converted into a bool if you test that the value is equal to 1. Pretty much. And because those floats are pretty much just set, they're not like added or subtracted, this should be accurate. But technically also to be safe, I could also do this. Test if it's higher than 0.5f. In case it's like, for some reason, like 0.999999999 or 1.00001. So if that happens, then yeah, that should be future proof. Just game proof. What about these parameters? It's time to actually build the types of menus. So menus are their own class, which is going to contain a bunch of things. Which you have first, of course, as we learned, an interface as avatar menu. And this will contain a couple of things. It will contain an execute command to execute the menu. So like if you press the button or you open the toggle or something, whatever. You've got a release in case like the button is released or the toggle is set to off. You've got update value, which is useful in a float operation with like a radio menu. So while the menu is up, this runs. Then you got reset value, for which, well, resets the value to the default value of the parameter. And then read value, which, go figure, reads the value of that menu. So it can be useful. Now, how to implement all of this? Well, menu item will not do anything by itself. This is just an interface, remember. So we gotta start specifying different things for that interface. So, example, a button here. It's a menu item, which contains a bool parameter. So what you're gonna want here is gonna be the execute, which sets the value to 1. The release sets it to 0. Reset just calls for reset. And read value just returns a get value of that state. Also, or right, I need that. Okay, so now I'm thinking a bit deeper now. So I'm making the menus themselves to work, but I'm noticing that I'm gonna need I'm gonna have to set the parameter here. So if I do share salad, well, I'm gonna have your donuts soon, so we won't need salad. I'm gonna need here a set parameter. I'm gonna need something like this. Set parameter. Now I wonder, did I do it correctly? If I do state equals parameter, cannot implicitly convert. What if I say this? That works. I can convert it just like that and interpret the parameter base as a parameter bool. So if you pass the wrong one, it doesn't crash the code. So if we look again at the parameters, because it's an interface, it's a class, which is inherited as well. So it just converts pretty much these two. I wonder if it still might crash, but right, those are not set, so it doesn't matter. I guess it just resets those ones. Gonna have to see. All I know is that this works and I'm happy with it. And now I want the same over here. Passing the parameter. So now I can set the parameter. And I can explicitly say that it's the parameter bool that I want to pass. Now I sure hope if I like do the script for like managing the parameters and I add it to the menu, it will link up. Because if it doesn't, it's kind of screwed here. I'm anyway gonna need a scriptable object with the menus, with those parameters. And that's gonna be linked with the avatar. That's just like a helper, right? It's not in mono behavior. Yeah, it's literally just classes. It's not something you put on the avatar itself. But I guess let's work on those types quick. So an item toggle is a parameter bool. When you execute, you want to set the value to the reverse, pretty much. Reset value, read value, and then set parameter. Pretty much the exact same as the button item. Next, what I might need it's gonna be menu item, and what we need. Right, also here's a thing I just realized. When you press a toggle, it can be a bool, yes. But it could also well be an int. and set an int. Oh, but I'm gonna implement that. Oh no. Uh-oh. Oh boy, I can't overlook that. Hang on a second. How can I... Actually, how can I test for a type? If I say parameter base, I can. I'm just gonna pass this like that. Yeah, so if it's a button, I'm going to need a couple of things. A menu item can have quite a bit of different values in them. The menu item is what actually sets the values of parameters. So you need a way to tell that menu item what to set the value to. So in this case, I'm gonna want to have I guess I can do a public, sorry, public, I'm gonna think that it's abstract. Oh, that's gonna work. Can I declare float abstract? That would not work, I feel like. Nope. Public. Like that. Okay, that works. I need a value to set the thing to. But that can depend. I need to set actually value on, value off. Did I set it for sure? Nope. Can I override it? Boy. Why could I hide it? Hey, Dick! And hey, Blackout! Hello! Up, layout. Hi, Ray. Standard damage. Standard damage 2. Thank you for that follow. Welcome to the birds. We're coding here. Hey, Nick. Hello. How you doing? What are you doing good? Why is my head crooked? It's beautifully crooked. Can I overwrite? Nope. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do some research on that. See, sure. Hide. Hide images. What does that mean? I guess that doesn't matter actually. I don't have to set this back. Because here I can just set it to, well, value on. Bird brain here. C# is an interesting language. Yeah, the language of Unity. Every damn Unity game uses it. And I'm trying to do my own avatar system for Unity. Because why not? I'm using it right now. In a very early stage. Anyways, I got default value, set value. No, it's not that one I'm looking. I need to look for. Damn it. I guess this needs to be. That would need to be abstract, I think. I don't. No, some values don't need to be reset. If it's a menu, it does not need to be reset. You buy a cup of tea, not super press. See what the? See? I can't see what you mean. I work with C#. That's pretty sharp. This language is like someone cuts your sword dull, so you cut a piece of wood which is says which is say C#. God damn it, it's time for those jokes again. Well then. What a restarted, oh boy. And yeah, also hi back. I did not even say hi to you. Yeah, but oh, see, no memory abstraction, no helpful crash info when something goes wrong. It's wonderful. Oh my god, yes. Oh, only the best language. The one that you want to rip your hair off at any single line you write. Everything looks abstract when you write in C. So I'm pulling SCAD assembly. Oh god, not assembly. Oh no. I played between all these languages and I was not even born when those were created. Alright, back to my damn thing here. Dang. Value on, value off. Okay, that's gonna be a bit interesting. Instead of when, 0, and 1, I'm gonna want to do something crazy. Oh, shit. Hang on a second. Hang on! You know what's coming, huh? You know exactly what's coming, right? You're right, you know. like it. It's not my main soul, no. Because with this webcam, I don't actually have the big eyes, as it might be used when I do that, which is unfortunate. I need to add it to my VR avatar, which should be easy when those menus are gonna be implemented. Very gonna be easy. Is that guy's there? If I remember correctly, they may like this. Yeah. Nightbot, what do you mean that doesn't look very good? I kill you. I actually kill you. For some reason, if I wanted to, I couldn't even leave 14 times. Oh no. Wiggles acquired. Actually, this is the first time it gets redeemed. Since my comeback. Somehow. Like, apparently two treat streams were redeemed before one Wiggle Overload was redeemed. What? Damn. That makes for a change, huh? Yeah, I need to keep looking on my phone to see when my treat's gonna arrive. My donut sticks. Caramel donut sticks. I won't be able to show the webcam because I'm actually in a different room and I don't have access to the webcam. And I don't want to show this to you either. But I know they're gonna be delicious. They're gonna be caramel flavored. I never tried them. The puffs, I never tried those puffs on my comeback stream. I never tried puffs and they are pretty good. Oh my god. Now I want some puffs. God damn it. Why did I have to think of them? I'm pretty sure those donut sticks are gonna fill me up. When you add fill me up and stick in the same sentence, it really does not do the best combo, huh? Jesus Christ. Oh god. Why? Partial phrasing. Anyway, where was my code? Ah, yes. Writing these fuckers. So, I'm gonna do big one. Instead of doing 1, 0, 1, so testing if 1, then write a 0 so it inverts, or else write a 1 so it still inverts it. Now I'm gonna do if the value is, if get value is value on, set the value to off, else turn the value on. And that should do the trick. That's gonna be an interesting one to actually implement. Might break some menus if you do like an update to the avatar and then it doesn't update the menus. But that'll be an interesting one. Yeah, private arrays, yeah, that's still good. So now in theory, I can set any type of value in these, and it should be good. But I also want to implement another variable inside. Actually, not a float. Oh, can I not say float? It would still. No, I need to keep float. Dang it. Can I say private? Damn it. Okay, I have to keep it public. I'm gonna do public. And this here. Damn, I kinda never wrote like a in and out comment. Honestly, online data. The thing here will be, I'm gonna set it as a comment at first. This will be some kind of like actual menu. A menu group, I'm gonna call. Which is gonna be a sub-menu group. That way you can store menus inside menus. Just like VRChat does. So of course games will have to keep track of the history of the menu. But I want to implement some kind of function inside there, and that can keep track of the menus you go in. Just like VRChat does. Anyway, it's been over half an hour since the treat was ordered. So it might arrive anytime soon. But I'll keep that commented for now, because of course I don't have the class for it. Because these are just the properties. Actually, I'm just noticing I should probably organize this a bit differently. Because now I have like menus right here, which is completely different. I might rename this. Or it might be fine. The parameter base and parameter bool in float, and then menus, menu item, and then the different menus. So it's literally something I could like just do like this and have it separate. I'm not sure how useful that would be. Have it separate like that. What would be best? Yep, you missed it, Black Cow. How dare you missed it. How dare. I might just rename that out of menus. And then do a public. Public class parameters, which does not generate from anything. Slap this in there. Oh my god, guys, really? Really, you guys? You had to do it like that, huh? Cutie, what am I gonna do without you, huh? Well, what am I gonna do without all you, huh? Hey, Black Couch, you have it now? You good now? You good, my boy? Oh, wait, but because the boat redeemed it. There you go. Had to make it double, you know. You both redeemed it at the exact same damn time, so I had to double it. Before I got him after. Yeah, what about when's my treat arriving though? Where are my donut sticks? I want my donut sticks, my caramel donut sticks. Come on. Why did that take so damn much time? Why does it do this to me? You're immune, how dare you? Why is it? Can I put a namespace inside a namespace? So this whole thing needs to be inside over here. Would that work? If I smack the I parameter here, and I smack the I menu in menus, there you go, that should help. No tweet yet either. Now the question is, can I put a namespace inside a namespace? I wonder. Would this work? One, two, three, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2. But is there one extra now? That's interesting. Heavy. Well, there goes Visual Studio. Oh, hang on. I saw someone at the door. Hang on. I think that's the treat. I will be your bee. And I'm back with snack with the treat. Yeah, good thing I had a camera on, because yeah, I did not hear the doorbell of that one. Okay, well, I can't show the camera, unfortunately. But, yeah, I definitely got something. They smell good, though, holy crap. Let me get a little... Anyway, I wouldn't want to damage that desk mat, that beautiful desk mat that I have. I'm like, oh, Jesus Christ, there's so many of them. Jesus Christ. Well, I guess it's snack time. It's snack time. Hey, Hazelix Frinks. Thinking like that. Damn, that's hard name. Thank you for the follow. I got the difference. Let's see. As I said, Tony, I can't actually shoot a camera on this in this room that I'm in. I'm not in the studio right now, and I don't think I have access to my webcam right now. No. Anyway, I wouldn't want to like show this room either, but I can take a picture. Definitely. Just a quick picture of my desk. It does not want to focus on the caramel. Hey, let me put that on my and then let me take a bite. Oh god, they're warm. Dip that. Really good. Hang on. Let me get the photo quick and put it on screen. Where is it? There it is. Say, Tony, you asked what you got me, and what exactly I got. This. Beautiful donut fries with caramel dipping. God, that's a very thick caramel. You say extra thick on that one. And they're warm too, so. Eat. You know what? Well, I eat a little bit because there's so many of them. Yeah. They're just standing for now, I guess, because yeah, I'll be eating for a while. Just so, how many calories is that? Holy shit. I might not eat everything. I might like keep some of them in the fridge for like a snack tomorrow. Well, I don't need to eat the whole thing, but they're good when they're warm. Oh my. Snack size, sure. Honestly, I put them there like I expected like a tiny bowl, not like something like party size. Really good though. Man, I'm definitely gonna do one sugar rush and a half tonight. That's for sure. That most definitely I won't sleep. That's no problem when you get me a snack in the middle of the damn week. I want them. But Jesus Christ, I did not expect something this big. I'm gonna be fine, Tony. I run on like 6 hours of sleep every single damn day. My vital organs are doing pretty fine. Vital organs trying to keep me alive. I feel like I'm doing a sugar rush already, Jesus. Let us go again! Back! Damn it! So good. I'm happy with the menu itself. It's a sweet menu. Very sweet. So let me go do one thing before disaster strikes and the tree gets ordered right at the end of the stream and I won't be able to pick it up. Let me quickly do this and bam. Alright. No more treats. This is the only treat of the night. Because I don't want to like have a sugar rush in the middle of the night either. God damn, I can't even see the bottom yet. How many are there? Jesus. No, that's what I figured it would just be fine with the hydrates. With the water I have every single stream, I figured it's gonna be enough. I guess I can, honestly, I feel like I'm gonna redeem it myself. At this point, though, of course, I can't just eat without drinking either, so. Wash it down. Before dipping my nizzle again in there. Ow. Now, I wonder if some of my other friends have Twitch stream. If some of my other streamer friends have it. I can't be the only one, huh? So far, there are 2 for 2. So it's definitely working. Okay, plan is I'm gonna eat them until I'm out of caramel. Once I'm out of caramel, I'm taking a break of them, and I'm gonna keep the rest for a snack like tomorrow. I could probably dip these in Nutella, huh? Maybe. I feel like that could work. That would work, I think. A bit of Nutella. Like chocolate. Or should bring that for like a lunch or something. Like bring those for lunch. Yeah. Okay, I got an email. Just got an email as well saying about something. Okay, that was the other thing I saw. Okay, and that's studio stuff. Definitely studio stuff. Like one of the things that needs to be made, custom mostly. You know the like there, the 2 drawings, my Sona and then the AVGen over there. And those are actually blackouts. Not the blackout you saw in the chat. No, it's like window blackouts. Blackout windows. These need to be made pretty much custom, the window, and then also custom with the actual fabric on it. I got a fabric, and I was missing the actual like installation frame, and yeah, it's coming soon. What you're talking about? What you're talking about? I did not put blackout on the windows. Nah, definitely not. I don't see what you're talking about. Nah, not at all. Fuck me, this really just didn't look like that much, but Hot damn, I'm having such a hard time eating everything. Hot damn, there's so many sticks. Jesus Christ. Well, I guess I can go and check back on the order and see if there's an option to make it smaller, because this is definitely on the big side. Without the windows then in the shower. It's a bit more friendly, yes indeed. Also, why are you taking that right now? Bonk. Get bonked. Yeah, I feel like 1 or 2 more sticks and I'll be out of caramel, so. But the whole middle of the stream is eating these. I guess I got nothing better to do, huh? I feel like over every single stream, the whole menu's gonna have been tried. I miss about those milkshakes, however. I have to confess, I never had a milkshake. I actually never had. I feel like I tried once, but did not like it. But that was, if so, then that was a very, very, very long while ago. But I'm pretty sure I would like it. Yeah, surprisingly never. Or if I tried it once, it's been a very, 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 very long time, and apparently I've never drank milkshake again, so that probably didn't mean I did not like it at the time I tried it. If I ever tried it. Yeah, please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. I swear it's not my fault. No. But I feel very good to have put those tissues on top of the desk mat, because hot damn it would have gone absolutely messy as crap if I didn't. It would have required a goddamn deep clean with all the cinnamon and the caramel flying around. Oh no, you don't. The minimum cooldown is actually 2 hours. So you won't be able to draw me like you did with Hydrates. Get wrecked. I can still scrape a buttload of caramel off of this. But I'm reaching the end now. Coming to a close very soon. And there's still an absolute shitload of sticks. I ate like half the box. But man, are they good. I seriously did not expect this to take that long, but all I can say though, Tony, trust me, this was worth 100% all your pennies. This was well worth your money. A very good choice you picked. Thank you for feeding the bird. The bird enjoyed it. And that's it for the caramel. I guess it's like, alright, just one more for the road. Let's still scrape off quite a bit of caramel here. And that's about as earlier though, but still a little bit. No. Alright. That was a miss. Yeah, it's not gonna don't become chicken. I'm not gonna become the treat stream. I'm not gonna become through one of those treat streams. So here's the thing, there's also a snack. I think it's enabled. Yeah, you can order me some space chicken wings if you wanted to. Don't worry, no of all these are harm making those wings. Don't worry, none of my all these friends are harmed. No, they're not. No. I'm sorry, Blackout. Oh boy, yep. Just half the box is giving me a sugar rush. Half the box and the whole entire thing of caramel. Oh boy, tomorrow's gonna be a fun day at work. Oh boy! Let me just throw these away. That I'm gonna have to throw in the fridge later. When I'm done with the streams, that's gonna go in recycling. Is it recyclable? Number 5. Alright, okay, yeah, the caramel pot is recyclable. That's good. Alright, this bat is a little bit, yeah, there's a little bit of collateral damage here with cinnamon and sugar. Hang on, let me just clean that up quick. Get off my beautiful mouse, man. Yes, man. Yeah. You can get yours at the Mike the Burnmich store. Check the description. Check the Twitch panels underneath the stream, and you can get merch. Not Sugar Rush will have you do 2 hours of work in just 30 minutes. Yep. And then I will do shit fuck all after it. Like I come back from work, I immediately just. You get the point. Oh, my head's crooked. Much better. The boy. You're gonna be away for a while, but think about the crash. It's gonna hit me like a monster truck. Yeah. Let me just drink a little bit, just to get everything down. Much better. Just get everything down, all that sugar. And yeah, I still have like the other half of the box of like that I showed earlier. So that's probably gonna be a little snack for tomorrow or somewhere during the week. Because man, those are good. I just need a different dipping though, because I'm out of caramel. Damn. Anyway, it's time to go back to the list. Alright, the Lavata system. Man, I forget. You're such a cutie. See, it doesn't like to be called a cutie. Stop calling it a cutie. Ah, where's my Visual Studio? Yeet. Ah, it's hit. Ah, right, Visual Studio crashed. That's that's why. I probably lost a bunch of progress though. Ah, I got a problem and shut down. Recover. Poor Visual Studio. Okay, where did it lose? Where did I... Okay, up to where did I lose? Okay, now I also have to think, okay, thanks Visual Studio. Fucking love ya. What did I lose? Be carry nasty instead. I don't know, but it's not cute. Maybe adorable, but not cute. Main parameter base could not be found. So I did start moving stuff around. Oh no, it's good. It's all good. After menus, I'm gonna save this just to be safe. Say I can't for the life of me. What did I try to do last? I tried to fold that thing and it completely crashed. Like I tried to unfold something and this and just died. Hard. I don't really need that start function, but so now the thing is, I wonder, as I said, could I yeah, right, no I can't. How would I do that then? Because I can't put a sub namespace, can I? Oh, I can't put... Does that work? Like, I can put this here, but I can't put this here. It just dies. Because the thing is, right now, what I would need to do is something like this. I need to say, like, to do this every time. And when you think about it, it's not too bad. Does not everyone the abstract member? Let's fix those first. Okay, and that fixes it. So yeah, now it's the namespace resources, which can get the menus. So I've done menus which will contain everything you need to control menus and stuff. Inside there you have two classes, parameters and menus. So parameters will contain everything you need for controlling parameters and stuff. Menus will contain everything you need to control different menus. Alright. So let's go back in those menus right now. So menu item. There's menu item button, which work. Toggle, which works. Menu item. Now let's think of these with the values working. So menu item. What could that be? So a button you press and it sets to value on. You release, it sets to value off. A toggle, you press it, it toggles the value to value on. You press it again, it toggles it to off. So now technically there's a bool operation which works. I feel like I would need the avatar melody parameter stuff. Having an actual parameters, menus. And I'm gonna make a class for parameter lists, I guess, which will contain lists of the list of parameters. Unless I don't fully need that. How do I want to do it? Do I want to do it via a separate object? Or do I want to do it directly via... I feel like if I want to implement the submenu thing, I would need to do it via scriptable objects. For the menus. The parameters, that's a different story. No, but I still need to read. When I click on a menu to select whatever parameter I want to edit, which button does to what parameter, I need a way to read from whichever avatar you have the parameters on. So you have to have a way to select which list of parameters you want to use for the menus. Hmm. That's one heck of a story. Hmm. Yeah, so far you do, yeah. Scriptable objects. I feel like I could simplify this. I have like a main class here. I don't have anything under resources like that. Should I just do resources dot avatar menus? That way it's organized like that. I might just do it like that. No, avatar menus. But then the thing is, the menus need to run on the actual avatars themselves. If I remove public, because I don't want this to be accessed, can I also do the same here? Yeah, I can. Okay. Hang on a second. I just want to see if I can actually access that. I don't think I need actually. Also, right, because right now, parameter base is always bool. I do need a way to, yeah, I'm gonna need a way to actually set the name, the type, and if it's saved or not. And I also need to get those values too. That should not be accessed by anything. But if I just do public void if I do the exact same thing in one of the parameters, what would happen? Yeah, and someone in their game could also call this. But it should not be called. It's not something that should be called. Outside of the SDK. And just say get. Nope. So this works if I just do get. Private set. That way this can set it here, but something else outside would not be able to set it. Like you can't just directly set it. You have to call this. Which is gonna make it easier for like stuff to actually just get something. Like you just wanna get the name. You just have to do the parameter name. You don't have to do like parameter dot get parameter name, parentheses and stuff. And it does save a bit on resources, just a little bit. So I'll delete this. I'll do one for set parameter type. But yeah, parameter type is different from parameter. Right. And on that, I can potentially put getting complicated already. Oh boy. Oh, really? Huh? Who knows? I guess I'll keep it like that. Makes it easier for like people to actually implement their thing. Because remember, this is like not necessarily just mine, right? Any people with the SDK could like implement VRA to their game, and they could just play with these if they wanted to. So in it, like you could just write like something dot parameter name instead of just like get parameter name. It makes it easier for the implementer. Is this accessible then the method? Oh, I see. I'm gonna do the exact same thing here. And I can't actually do this. I won't be able to initialize it, which ain't too bad. Ah, really? There it goes. And that keyboard sucks. Only bother optimizing one particular problem. Yeah. Like optimization is one thing. Actually making the code coherent that is another thing. So that should be good. You can set the parameter name, set the parameter type, and set the behavior of that parameter. And you can just get using whatever dot parameter something. Yeah, writing good code is hard. I'm actually trying hard right now to write good code. It's tough. And I don't think I'm doing a fully amazing job. But I'm trying my best. And that's what matters. As I said multiple times, I'm a jack of all trades, master at none, so... Like, I'm good at music, and good at drawing, I'm good at modeling, animation, coding. I'm good at everything, but I'm not a master at everything. So I'm really just trying my best at making something that works. And learning in the process, like the interfaces. So yeah. In terms of parameter lists, because that's I think the next step. So let's start with buttons and toggles for now. I guess we could potentially do be a slider, you know what? And that slider will have, of course, I mean, it's value on and value off, which are like by default from the menu item thing right there. But with slider, what I kind of want to do, hear me out. I will add 2 floats. Value minimum and value maximum. That way you can slide the value between value minimum and value maximum. And then I'm going to need a public float. A value slider. So that will just be an alert between like 0 1. The slider will be 0 1, but it's going to alert between value min and value max. Yeah, that is much better. Hey there, hello. How you doing tonight? Hopefully you're doing good. Man, I had a bunch of things tonight. Coding madness and a bunch of donut sticks. Fuck, I need to eat one more. Why did I have to open the box? Nah, I just had to eat one more, god damn it. Fudge. But yeah, they were pretty good actually. You're gonna be able to watch the VOD and towards the 8 hour, like the, what is it, 1 hour 20 minute mark? That's where I received them and I showed a picture of it. I'm keeping the rest of those for, it's such a big box. So I ate like half of it. The other half I'm gonna keep for a snack like tomorrow and some other day. Donut sticks with cinnamon sugar and a caramel sauce. They all warm to you. Anyway, very min, very max, slider. What's gonna be the default value of this? Oh no, that's sad. Yeah, Tweet Stream, you have to be in a location that that supports a carrier. If you don't have a delivery service that is supported by Tweet Stream, then you're kind of screwed. I'm lucky to have one. There's only one that would do it. Feeling lucky there, because yeah, because I have one, I can do it. Anyway, so what's gonna be the behavior of something like this? Right, I also need a boolean to say if the value... No, I can't. No, I can. Maybe I could do like if you enter the menu, you press it to enter it, it toggles a parameter to something, and when you quit the menu, it toggles another parameter to something else. You know what? I can put it through work. Just have to find out what to do it. What's our name? We could be just snacking. I'm writing my avatar menus system, just like I did last week. I'm just figuring out how to do stuff. And what exact behavior I want. And like, I need to figure out what types of menu I want, how to implement them on the avatar. Like, do I want it to be in the descriptor itself, or do I want to be a separate object like VRChat? In the descriptor will be like chill out VR. What types of parameters do I want? What types of menus do I want? What do I want those menus to do when I enter them, exit them, change the values? What happens? I have to think of all of that. So like button and toggle's easy. You press the button. While you hold it down, the value is on. You release it, it toggles the value back off. A toggle, you press the button once, toggles the value on. You press the button another time, toggles the value off. Actually, why do I feel like I can potentially add a possibility of like, when you toggle a toggle on, or you press a button once, it toggles multiple values. How could that work? Because I know in VRChat, for example, like I have like multiple buttons like turn off wings, turn off both, or something like that. Example on the AVGen for VRChat and also chill out. I had to do 3 separate buttons for each wing pose. One for the left wing, one for the right wing, and one for both wings. And I had to do 3 separate parameters to do it. Yeah, 3. Wings left, right, wings both for tucked, and then wings left, wings right, wing both, weapon. So already 6 parameters. And I had to do it with like one of the expressions in VRChat that when one animation plays, it turns off one of the parameters. What if that could be completely avoided? And you could do like a toggle that can toggle multiple parameters. And you could set a different thing per pretty much. How could that work? That could be interesting to implement and very useful, I feel. So how? Because the menu item has the value on and off. I should probably do it in a class. Like a class value on and off. And that way I wouldn't need, actually I don't need this. Because value off would be value min, and value on would be value max. I don't need actually this. I think I'm gonna, yeah, public class values value on and value off. So now what I could do is check this out. I'm gonna create the public values and not just a public values, a public list of values. So we're going to create a new list for that, which I guess I can put, no, I can't actually do that yet. By default, I want value on to be 1 and value off to be 0 by default. Can I just pass like 1 in there? If that's at 0 capacity. Jesus Christ. All the interfaces are used here. Okay, let's just do list values like that. Let me check if I can actually initialize this with values. C# list initialize with values. Can I do that? Could I potentially just do that? New values. That should work. Because then I created a list of values, and by default, when I create a new values, it should create with 1 and 0 here. I think. So that should be fine. So when you create a new item, it will always have values at least with 1 in there. That can be set and read from. And I want to read from value 0 at first. There are crap. And now here's the thing. I have state here. I can have my list of values. But then I need to also How would I do it though? Because now I have to link any extra state with the it would need something like a dictionary for sure. I don't think I've really used. I know it's like key and value. If I do, I wonder. Do I even need a list if I need a dictionary anyway? Can I set a key? Okay, we'll say, have a good night, Tony. Dictionary, the key will be night, Tony. Don't worry, I won't stop too late. I'm gonna do a sugar rush, as you know, but what all those sticks. But it's gonna be fine, don't worry. Have a good night on your end. Okay, dictionary, I want the key to be the parameter base. And the value to be of type values. Parameter value pairs. But how can I initialize that? Now, so how can I set stuff in it? Because as I said, I never really. I can add a key and a value. I can get the values, I can get the keys. So I'm guessing because I can get values, I can probably get value 0 or something. No. So I need to try and get the value. I can't just get it directly. How would I? Oh wait, what? If I need to do an out, I don't think I can ref it. Hey, Mr. Gamer, hello, welcome to this coding stream. It's a mess. If I try to get a value out of shit, I need that. How's it going? Yeah, it's doing good. Mr. Gamer. This is going to be specific for animation controller, by the way. Most likely, yeah, it's probably just going to be animation controllers. Yeah. Because they really just need like bool, int, and float. They don't need anything else. That's why I just put those three. But anyway, on an avatar, it's mostly what's animated. Animating a material, you can do that via an animator. You want to animate a game object on and off via an animator. Like, yeah, all the animations that can be done on an avatar can be done via animators. That's why I'm updating this. Yeah, I saw you got VR, congrats! What headset you got? Quest 2? 5 index? Pimax AKX. Quest 2, I fucking hate their called Meta now. I'm always gonna call them Oculus Quest 2. Fuck Meta. But yeah, congrats, Quest 2. Nice one. I want to see if I can actually ref it instead of out. But now, to get the key, how am I gonna get that damn key? Just test, I'm gonna place the state. Out val should work. So if it succeeds, it puts in the val. Can I put ref? Nope, can't use ref. It doesn't sound like a bad idea. The thing is, and that's a little problem, is that an avatar could have multiple animators. Potentially I could make it a list of animators. But something like VR, like CVR, only has one animator. And that's the one that is controlled by every single parameter. With VR chat, all playable layers are controlled by the parameters, but anything else won't. In a previous system I've done, with the gesture controller, especially for like the finger gestures, any animator that's underneath the avatar will be controlled. Having it controlled via the parameter itself is actually quite an idea. But especially if you have like an absolute loads of menus, because each menu item would have to control the animator. If you have a bunch of menus and you have the exact same reference everywhere, I wonder what would be the performance hit actually. What would be like the most performant between that and having the values sent to a separate object? Well, right now I'm trying to focus on like implementing the menus, not how the animations are going to be working. I think I'm gonna ditch the dictionary idea. I can't really, huh? Because I need to make sure there's the exact same amount of parameters that there are values on our values. I gotta make sure those two numbers are synced. I wouldn't want to have like 3 parameters but only 2 values. That will create an exception. Or same thing, 3 values but 2 parameters, that will create an exception. But that's true though. About the parameter type, that's actually pretty true. So you could do menu item and a public list of animators that when the game starts, that list on each of the menu items are populated. So each menu item will be populated by all the animators of the avatar. That's honestly, like, it's not via the parameters that I would have to do this. It would be via the menus. Because the parameter is just how the type works and how it is set. But the menus is what actually controls the animators. Food for thought, yeah. I don't know, if I were to do a list of animator, because it's not via actually the controller, it's via the animator. The animator is the behavior that controls animation. The animator controller, that's just a reference, like it's like a scriptable object pretty much. So it just holds values and states. So it will be the animator that will be controlled. So if I do a list of animators, set parameters on this animator output or this system of animators as a function argument. I might do multiple ways. So I could set it from a list, or I could set it like, get the root of like what the avatar config is, and then just read on every single transform of that avatar. But that would not be performant whatsoever. Because that would run on every single menu item. Like every single one. So setting it from a list is the better play here. So from a pre-made list.
Maybe it's loud.
I feel like this would still be better off because now every single avatar menu will need to be called to actually put this on. Innumerable. Do I have the time to run Innumerable in like 15 minutes? Because that's something I never used either. I swear, this is like already with the interface. I was trying to give myself a little bit to understand. I did understand, but now, like, I'm gonna have to learn so many damn things. I mean, it's not half bad. Could be worse if it's like, I mean, this could be done as an iron narrator. Potentially. Not sure though. Like, Let's see which tripping order works the best. It's really just a question of finding where to put the animator stuff. I feel like it's still better off to just read off the value, but yeah, my brain is really frying right now. With all these, I'm sorry. My little brain just like it's still a bit stuck with the basic stuff. It's not used to go like deep with other things yet. Like I feel more comfortable with interfaces, that's for sure. Even though I never tested it. But yeah, any kind of advanced coding, I've never done. There's just something that's coherent. Maybe we consider who has what responsibility. That's the thing. Because this right now, what I'm trying to write here is some kind of holder that holds the things to make the menus function. So like, what's a menu? What functions does it have? What parameters exist? What functions does it have and what do those do? And then I'm gonna put another script on the side to actually interact with those menus and actually make a list of menus. Like a scriptable object where you can put menus. And from there, these menus could interact with like a script. I would make a script that would display those menu lists, and when you press a menu, it does the execution of that menu. That's the main plan. So one script is the holder, Another script is a scriptable object. And the third one is actually what executes everything. But of course I can't do that just yet. I want to do that slider first though. And I'm gonna forget about multiple values for now. I'm just gonna stick with the single one. And I'll see if I can implement the SDK like multiple values after. Just to be sure everything works. So when doing the slider, I don't want to execute. And that's going to be a parameter float. So when you execute, I don't want you to set anything here. I don't actually want to execute. When we set the value, that's fine. Read value, that's fine. Update value. So in update value, I want to set the value to alert from values dot. I can't actually take off, right? Oh, values 0. Value off. And value on. And the T will be the value slider. That way you slide from 0 to 1 the slider. It runs between the value off and the value on. Simple as that. Then reset, same. Get value, same. And from that script, I'm gonna have to also find a way to actually detect if the menu is open or closed. I'll see at that point. I'm just making a base right now. I can set myself from. So menu slider is, I would say, implemented. I can save this. Parameter list, I don't need that here. That's going to be a scriptable object. And menu item submenu, that will be done somewhere else. So, right, I'm also going to need a description for like not just like a Data Street script, I actually need like the parameters. I'm gonna need the description of the menus list. So menu groups, that's how I'm gonna call them. A menu group is just a collection of menus, pretty much. I think I can just put like a line here. such a funny little line here. Public. Can we do an interface for that? Would that need an interface? I don't think it needs an interface. A menu group really is just a list of menu items that maxes out. That's the thing. Literally just that. And then I want a couple functions in there. So, I mean, I can add the menu item. I'm gonna make it easy, just like get menu item. At index. If the count of menu items is larger or equal to the index, I want to debug our error. This menu group does not contain an item at index plus index. And I would, can I pass the game object? No. And that does not exist here. Yeah, I'd like to have like a file name maybe there, but I can't from here. I can just pass a like. Just a menu name. There we go. So a new menu group, that's gonna be easy to understand. So if you make a menu, now people, if you implement that in your game, you can just have like a name on the menu itself. Which could make it easier in-game to actually, you know, see which menu you're actually going into. Who knows? I also tested the menu name is equal to nothing. If it's equal to nothing, just put unnamed. Else, put menu name. And then return. That way it doesn't mess up the code. Maybe he's doing a try catch actually. Try menu items. Index. Else catch. There you go. So it's gonna try to catch to just go to that menu item, and if it glitches out, then just spit that error. Okay. How to do that now? I want to be able to add a menu item. At index. So if index is -1, do something. I can't, right, I can't actually, Oh, right, that's gonna be a bit of a problem here. I can't just add a menu item, because that's abstract. because these are abstract. Because I need to be able to set that type somehow. I mean, I guess I can start with a bool. So let's start with like a button. So let's start like this. But I also wonder though, can I set a menu to a specific type? I'm gonna do a switch just to test it out. I want to switch a menu at an index to a certain type. So if case is 0, that would be a button, for example. If I do menu items index, can I cast it like that? I seem to can. Okay, so 1 will be a toggle, and case 2 will be a slider. Oh man, the interfaces. The base class also could have computing modules. Base was requested, it returns to the new create module. That way I can create as many videos as I want and only base class we must know about it. Huh. I mean, I guess I can return that menu item. You can just cast like that. So when I create that menu, I can just yank it like that. I'll probably end it off here for tonight, though. there's so much to do with this system that yeah, it's overwhelming, but it's definitely gonna be worth it in the end. Making it future-proof stuff. It's long, takes forever, but it's gonna be worth it in the end. Especially knowing I've never done anything like that before. Yep, my poor brain. But it's past 10, so I'm already a little bit over the stream. Thanks, Steph, for the reminder of the SDGs. How did you that? But yeah, beautiful progress. And it's still very chaotic. There's a lot of coding with the system. I feel like we're gonna be on that for like a couple episodes. I still feel like I kind of wanna work a bit faster on this and make it off stream, but I have so many other things to do, I just can't, which is a bit unfortunate. But yeah, I'm gonna end the stream here. So yeah, thank you all for tuning in. But for now, let's go see who to raid. So let me open up my Twitch for a split second over here. Where is Twitch? Twitch. Twish. Twash. Twash. Kava plush yin yin. Man, my SL stream is always damn empty these days, huh? Why is it always that empty? Well, you know what? There it is. Evil West. Sounds like an idea. As I have not really anyone else to raid. But yeah, don't forget, as per usual, just quack in their chat. And also, I should probably mention before I end the stream here, probably this Friday or Sunday, I feel like I'm probably gonna be building my new PC. Yep, the PC's finally getting built. This weekend, or if it's not this weekend or this Friday, it's gonna be next week. 100%. I got a fan controller, so I can now. And I absolutely need that damn computer now. I can't just keep moving my main station from one room to the other, so yeah. But until Friday, stay safe, and I'll catch you soon. See ya, peeps!